Hi, everybody. Steve Hedden here from Top Quadrant. Today, we're going to be talking about Git integration. Laurie's going to do a quick demo of how this works and what it looks like, and I'll just set the stage. First of all, we love integrations. We love seamless data integrations at Top Quadrant. We have many of them, but this one, Git, is super important because engineers live in Git. They work in it every day. We want to make sure that Edge fits smoothly into your existing development workflows and processes. A few things to keep in mind before we go into the demo. One is that this is a GitHub integration demo, but this should work on any Git platform. This is available for both SaaS and on-prem customers. And what we're showing today is a push and pull of data in and out of Git from Edge, but we want to expand this to additional capabilities in the future. And so with that, I'll turn it over to Laurie for the demo.
Hello, I'm Laurie Nelsen, Semantic Solution Engineer at Top Quadrant. In today's feature spotlight, I will be showing you TopBraid EDG's integration with GitHub. So we're going to start by opening up an asset collection in Edge, and this is called Sample Paintings. So we can see it's a small collection of 7 different paintings. And we're going to be connecting it to this file in GitHub. And you can also see here that we have this same seven paintings already represented. So we're going to go back, and the first step we're going to do is connect this asset collection to GitHub. So we'll go here and we'll select link to file on Git. And then we will click the right. You might have several different connections or repositories in GitHub. So you have to pick the one that you are working with. And I see here I have paintings turtle file, and I'm going to select that, and I am going to connect with that. And the new Git integration was created, and we will close. And now you can see by the menu here where I did the linking, we have a cloud with an up arrow and down arrow. And that is for pushing any changes to GitHub and to pull any changes that might be made on a file back into Edge. So we're going to add a new one, and we're going to call it Painting 8. And then we will add a few of the details. This is going to be sunflowers, and it is by Vincent van Gogh. Oops. Vincent van Gogh. And the creation date was 1889. And we're going to add an image also. We can link to images in Wikipedia, so we don't have to load them into Edge. We just can add the link and we will get the image. So I'm going to save my changes. And we can see we have the title, the image, creator, and creation date. So I'm going to now push those. So I'm going to select the push changes to integrated systems and say OK. And done. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to refresh my file here. And you can now see that we have painting 8 here, Vincent van Gogh, with all the data that I added. So it's that easy. So you can also, as I said, you can pull data. Like, so if I change something in a file here, I can pull it back into Edge. So I'm going to set up a little sample to show that. So here's an ontology for my sample paintings. And in the ontology, we have the class painting and the property creator. So for that property, we can see there's no description there. So this is already hooked up. I've already done what I just demonstrated, and it's already hooked up to the file in GitHub. So we'll go to GitHub, and here you can see I added a description for that property creator. Just put in Git integration test. So now we're going to go back and we're going to use the other down arrow to pull the changes in. And it is done. And you can see right here, the description is now there.